We're pleased you've chosen AT&T for your new service. To provide a smooth and quality installation in just a single visit from our technician, this video will walk you through the 4 critical steps you need to take to be ready. First, you want to confirm that all necessary AT&T equipment is there at the installation site for the technician. Sometimes it ships to a different site or a centralized site if multiple locations are involved, so this is important. You will have received an email containing all equipment order numbers and associated UPS shipping numbers. On the day of installation, each piece of equipment needs to be at the site where it will be installed. If any piece of equipment is missing or you have questions, please contact the AT&T delivery team. Next, review the power and rack requirements for the equipment to confirm there is minimum adequate power available, AC or DC, with proper grounding within 6 feet of where the equipment is to be installed. Also, confirm that there is sufficient space in a suitable rack or on a fire-rated 3/4 inch plywood backboard. You can pause here to note these requirements for further reference. Third, an access data circuit should have been or will be installed associated with your new AT&T service. Ideally, it will be terminated in the same equipment room or closet where the AT&T service will be. If not, please pause here and review the basic inside wiring conditions. If you meet the wiring conditions, an AT&T technician will take care of the wiring as part of the installation. If not, please contact the AT&T delivery team for further guidance to extend the circuit from the local telco's demarcation point to the place where the new AT&T equipment will be installed. AT&T requires that a dedicated analog telephone line, also called a POTS line, be installed and terminated near your new AT&T router. AT&T will proactively monitor your service for physical and logical failures on the circuit, through the circuit, or the US robotics modem connected to the POTS line. This ensures 24/7 access to the router to immediately identify and resolve connectivity issues that may arise with the circuit or hardware. The technician can turn up your service without the POTS line, but AT&T cannot guarantee service issues will be immediately addressed without it. If you do not have a POTS line that can be used, please consult with your sales representative so that one can be ordered for you. Finally, it is critical that on the day of installation, our field technician has access to the room where the service is being installed, as well as the AT&T equipment that you've received. If in a separate location, the technician will also need access to the local telco's point of demarcation. It is imperative that we receive the name and telephone number of the person who will be providing admittance to the technician so we can coordinate. If our work will be done in a restricted area, we'll need the contact information for whomever will be escorting our technician. And finally, if there are safety or other requirements specific to the work location or anything that has changed since our initial discussions with you, please contact your AT&T delivery team before the technician is dispatched to your site. With your attention to these 4 pre-installation tasks, we'll have a smooth installation of your new service. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.